CarMax beat earnings this morning. Adjusted EPS came in at $1.31 against estimates of 94 cents, a significant beat. The stock dropped 8.6% anyway. We had the pre-earnings FSR, here's the post-earnings data, and exactly where the structure broke. Revenue hit $8 billion, up 6.2% year over year. EPS beat by nearly 40%, but comparable used vehicle sales faced challenges and margin pressure showed up in the report. That's what the market focused on, not the beat. Look at the 5-day 30-minute chart. FSR scored 94%, rolling FSR 97%. Price held steady between 50 and 53 for the first 40 windows. Then the earnings reaction hits. A cliff drop straight down to $48. The rolling FSR chart shows it precisely, dropping from 99 down to 91 in the windows immediately following that move. That's the exact moment the market repriced the stock on the margin concerns. Now the full year, FSR scores 66%, almost unchanged from yesterday's pre-earnings readings of 66.5%. Rolling FSR at 92.8%. Price had just crossed back above the yearly average of $47 heading into this report. Today's drop takes it right back down near the average line, basically erasing the recent recovery in a single session. This is a clean example of what an earnings beat with bad optics looks like in the data. The headline number was good. The underlying detail, margin pressure on comparable sales, is what moved the stock. The FSR captured the moment precisely on the short time frame, while the long-term structure barely moved. One earnings report, two completely different stories depending on which chart you're looking at. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.